Here's a certified 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Built to keep up with the rugged demands of your life, this Silverado 1500 is strong, safe, and comfortable. It boasts an impressive list of features, like these: external memory control, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, V8 engine, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At Classic Chevrolet, we want to help. Help you find the vehicle that best fits your needs at the price you want to pay. We're conveniently located just west of the DFW Airport's north entrance.